Do you like ice cream? Yes, I like ice cream. Do you like ice cream? Yes, I like ice cream. Does she go to school? Yes, she goes to school. Does she go to school? Yes, she goes to school. Do they play soccer? Yes, they play soccer. Do they play soccer? Yes, they play soccer. Does he watch TV? Yes, he watches TV. Does he watch TV? Yes, he watches TV. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English. Does she cook dinner? Yes, she cook dinner. Does she cook dinner? Yes, she cooks dinner. Do they listen to music? Yes, they listen to music. Do they listen to music? Yes, they listen to music. Does he work on weekends? Yes, he works on weekends. Does he works on weekends? Yes, he works on weekends. Do you eat breakfast? Yes, I eat breakfast. Do you eat breakfast? Yes, I eat breakfast. Does she walk to school? Yes, she walks to school. Does she walk to school? Yes, she walks to school. Do they study English? Yes, they study English. Do they study English? Yes, they study English. Does she play guitar? Yes, he plays guitar. Does he play guitar? Yes, he plays guitar. Do you like pizza? Yes, I like pizza. Do you like pizza? Yes, I like pizza. Does he read books? Yes, she reads books. Does she read books? Yes, she reads books. Do they watch movies? Yes, they watch movies. Do they watch movies? Yes, they watch movies. Does she drink coffee? Yes, he drinks coffee. Does he drinks coffee? Yes, he drinks coffee. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a pet. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a pet. Does she take a bus? Yes, she takes a bus. Does she take a bus? Yes, she takes a bus. Do they visit their grandparents? Yes, they visit their grandparents. Do they visit their grandparents? Yes, they visit their grandparents. Does he play video games? Yes, he plays video games. Does he play video games? Yes, he plays video games. Do you like swimming? Yes, I like swimming. Do you like swimming? Yes, I like swimming. Does he speak Spanish? Yes, he speaks Spanish. Does she speak Spanish? Yes, she speaks Spanish. Do they clean their room? Yes, they clean their room. Do they clean their room? Yes, they clean their room. Does he go to the gym? Yes, he goes to the gym. Does he go to the gym? Yes, he goes to the gym. Do you watch cartoons? Yes, I watch cartoons. Do you watch cartoons? Yes, I watch cartoons. Does she dance? Yes, she dances. Does she dance? Yes, she dances. Do they play basketball? Yes, they play basketball. Do they play basketball? Yes, they play basketball. Does he have a car? Yes, he has a car. Does he have a car? Yes, he has a car. Do you like tea? Yes, I like tea. Do you like tea? Yes, I like tea. Does she visit her friends? Yes, she visit her friends. Does she visit her friends? Yes, she visit her friends. Do they study math? Yes, they study math. Do they study math? Yes, they study math. Does he walk his dog? Yes, he walks his dog. Does he walk his dog? Yes, he walks his dog. Do you play guitar? Yes, I play the guitar. Do you play the guitar? Yes, I play the guitar. Does she go shopping? Yes, she goes shopping. Does she go shopping? Yes, she goes shopping. Do they watch TV in the evening? Yes, they watch TV in the evening. Do they watch TV in the evening? Yes, they watch TV in the evening. Does she play soccer on Saturday? Yes, he plays soccer on Saturday. Does he play soccer on Saturday? Yes, he plays soccer on Saturday. Do you have siblings? Yes, I have siblings. Do you have siblings? Yes, I have siblings. Does he speak French fluently? Yes, he speaks French fluently. Does she speak French fluently? Yes, she speaks French fluently. Do they eat lunch at school? Yes, they eat lunch at school. Do they eat lunch at school? Yes, they eat lunch at school. Does he read the newspaper every morning? Yes, he reads the newspaper every morning. Does he read the newspaper every morning? Yes, he reads the newspaper every morning. Do you like to cook? Yes, I like to cook. Do you like to cook? Yes, I like to cook. Does he go to bed early? Yes, he goes to bed early. Does he go to bed early? Yes, she goes to bed early. Do they play video games together? Yes, they play video games together. Do they play video games together? Yes, they play video games together. Does he drink milk with breakfast? Yes, he drinks milk with breakfast. Does he drink milk with breakfast? Yes, he drinks milk with breakfast. Do you listen to music while studying? Yes, I listen to music while studying. Do you listen to music while studying? Yes, I listen to music while studying. Does he work in an office? Yes, he works in an office. Does he work in an office? Yes, he works in an office. Do they have a pet cat? Yes, they have a pet cat. Do you have a pet cat? Yes, they have a pet cat. Does he wear sunglasses? Yes, he wears glasses. Does he wear glasses? Yes, he wears glasses. Do you go to the beach in the summer? Yes, I go to the beach in the summer. Do you go to the beach in the summer? Yes, I go to the beach in the summer. Do you drink tea in the afternoon? Yes, I drink tea in the afternoon. Do you drink tea in the afternoon? Yes, they drink tea in the afternoon.